If you're looking for a side hustle, then you're gonna watch this video till the end. My name is Feldon.
Madeline.
And we're the Richards. I'm a 32-year-old stay-at-home dad. I'm 32, right?
Yes.
Okay. I think after 21 you just stop counting. All right, so anyway, I'm a 32-year-old stay-at-home dad, and last year our business generated over $1.3 million fixing and flipping broken phones from people all over the United States of America that mailed them in. Of course, I did the repairs. She didn't do the repairs. I didn't want her to mess up her nails.
Okay. Well, I did the listing. So.
Yeah, she does the list. All right, she does a lot of work. She does the listings, the customer service, the shipping, and all that stuff. So she definitely works hard. When was the last time you worked for somebody else?
Oof. 4 years ago.
4 years ago. My wife hasn't worked for another man, and I'm very proud of that. I pride myself in that. So I have over 10,000 students across 50 states in multiple countries. So why should you listen to me, right? So I put together a free training to show you how all of this is done. So you could just click the link somewhere on this post. You'll see it. It'll be right below. It'll say learn more. Inside of the free training, you're going to learn everything that you need to know so that you can figure out how to do this without a formal training. Rather that's online or in person. You won't need a formal training after you go through my free training. What you're going to learn inside is what tools are needed, right? Because there are a list of tools that you need in this business that are unique to this business. I'm going to list them all out for you. I'm going to tell you where to get the tools. Rather you're just trying to fix your kid's device or you want to turn this into a side hustle or a business, I'm going to show you where to get the tools from. I'm going to tell you how to secure damaged devices below market value so that you can fix them and flip them profitably. I was going to dig in my pocket for the broken 14 Pro Max, but we're on vacation right now, so I can't show you all of the phones in my office. We're celebrating her birthday. Happy birthday. So yeah, the next thing that I'm going to tell you is how to get customers with broken phones for repair. It's different buying broken phones and finding customers that want to get their phones repaired. I'm going to show you how to do both inside of the free training. And last but not least, I am going to teach how to get started with no repair background. My son was 8 years old when I taught him how to get started. Remember? He was 8 years old when I taught him how to fix his first iPhone. He fell in love with it. I fell in love with the hustle. And here we are today, 6 years later, and it's been a fun ride. The cool thing is, if the free training's not enough and you'd like additional help, you can always send me a message on Instagram, Facebook if you have questions. If that's not enough for you, you can enroll into my online class that gives you access to a group chat that I have put together for all my students. In that group chat, you can send me photos, videos. You can even hop on a call with me if you need help. I have a team of more than 8 people across the United States and I think 5 overseas that do remote work. Yes. So I can show you how to start a side hustle or turn it into a business. And I can also show you how to do this without ever leaving the house if you don't want to. Screen repairs typically take about 15 minutes once you get really good at them. And during that time, when I was doing it and I had a job, I made more than I made at my job doing screen repairs. I used to do them on my lunch break, be in a break room fixing people's phones. Right now, I would say that I work about 4 hours a day, actually doing physical work on the phones.
Yeah, about 4 to 5.
And then I do another 4 hours doing administrative work, but that's stuff that I can do remotely.
But we get Friday, Saturday, and Sunday off.
Yeah, we do a 3-day weekend. I read somewhere online that it's healthier to do a 3-day weekend, so we do a 3-day weekend. I'm hoping to cut it down to 3 days a week. Well, no, 4 days. Yeah, 3 days a week soon. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I want to work 3 days a week. I think that'd be pretty cool, right? Oh, she's excited about that. Like I said, I'd show you guys a phone, but we're not at the office. We're on vacation right now, so maybe next time. When I got started in this business, I used to meet people in coffee shops. I know you're probably wondering, where do you do the repairs at if you're working from home? I would go to people's jobs or their houses or coffee shops, and if I was buying a phone, not repairing a phone, if I was buying a phone, I would just do the meetup at the police station. I know that sounds crazy, but I'm from the South Bronx originally, so yeah, I'm meeting at a police station. I'm not meeting in La Bodega, you feel me?
Make make sure you meet at a police station.
Yeah, if you're buying a phone, if you're doing a repair, you know, it's fine to go to someone's workplace, their job. I don't know about home. I wouldn't go in the house. I'll just do the repair out of my car. I don't like going to people's houses, you know, bed bugs and stuff. And can I even say that on here? Bed bugs?
You can.
You know, I don't want them to flag it as a cuss word.
Nah, I don't think so.
All right. Anyway, and last but not least, I'll teach you how to use Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, Mercari, and eBay because they are gold mines for finding deals. That's where I get most of my broken phones from. Like I said, you want to do a business where you don't have to leave the house. I teach you how to avoid losing money buying locked phones because if you buy a locked phone, you're screwed. And I don't want you to be in that position. So it's very, very important to know how to identify the difference between an unlocked phone and a locked phone. And I'm not just talking about carrier locks, I'm talking about iCloud locks. So, as a matter of fact, I'll give you that gem right here. So in order to figure out if a phone is iCloud locked, you just go into the settings, and if you see someone's Apple ID, trust me, this is not common sense. I get this question all the time. If the person's Apple ID is there, the phone has an activation lock. So whenever you're buying a phone, you want to make sure that you sign out of that first, okay? That's free game right there. So make sure that you click the link below if you want to get enrolled into the training. Again, it says learn more right on this post, or if you expand the post, you'll see it inside the body. You can find broken phones for much less than retail because most people don't know what to list these phones for themselves. That's where you and I come in and we snag the deal and we make our profit. Inside of the free training, again, I show you how to identify these profitable deals. It doesn't matter if you've never fixed a phone before. Like I said, my son was 8 when I taught him. And yes, I'll even show you how to fix the new 14 Pro Max. Go check it out now, hit learn more right on this post, and I'll send you the free training. I'll also send you an email with a link to the toolkit that you need. Anything else you want to say?
No, just click the link.
All right.
Click.
I'll see you guys inside. Peace.